My name is Dr. Scott Trenhill, and I'm here to present to you a video of a rotator cuff repair using MINITAPE sutures and the HEALICOIL REGENESORB knotless anchor. This is a tear with a large radial distance. 3 MINITAPE sutures have been placed in a luggage tag fashion in order to create a purse string type repair. The MINITAPE provides evenly distributed compression using a low profile suture, while the HEALICOIL knotless anchor's internal locking mechanism provides excellent fixation independent of bone quality. The eyelet on the end of the anchor allows for up to 6 MINITAPE tails to be passed and fixated to bone. Using this anchor, a surgeon may have the freedom to use a multitude of suture configurations needed to fix all rotator cuff tear types. This animation demonstrates the 2 fixation points for suture security: the internal locking mechanism of the interlocking peak plug and the external interference fixation provided between the exterior anchor sidewall and the bone interface. The REGENESORB material of the anchor is absorbed and replaced by 24 months. At the time of implantation, the anchor has excellent immediate fixation into bone and suture security. At 6 to 12 months, the bone is integrating into the anchor nicely, and by 18 months, the anchor is nearly replaced by bone. At 24 months, the bone has completely replaced the anchor in its entirety.